Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to play local multiplayer in WWE 2K25 using your Joy-Con controller. Up to 4 players you can connect it. You can detach this Joy-Con from the controller and I'm going to activate it. So how to do that? First, right, we need to go to this grip. Okay, before that, if you have opened WWE 2K25, just close it by pressing X button. Yes, it's closed. Now I'm going to change the grip. Come to grip. Okay, come to grip and we need to tap change grip order. Okay, cool. So the first thing is I'm going to attach that. The first controller I'm going to attach it, and you need to press this SL and SR button together to activate it. So the first controller, player number 1, is activated. Okay, and the next one, the next Joy-Con controller, I'm going to activate it. So what you need to do is same thing. You need to put the gripper, okay, and then the controller we need to press S, L and SR button. Okay, so it's connected. If you have another switch also you can connect. Okay, if you have another switch also you can connect it. First I need to bring it to pairing mode, right? So I'm going to bring it to pairing mode. I need to press and hold this button. So super cool, it's automatically paired. Okay, now I'm going to press this SL and SR button. Yes, it's connected. So I can play with 3 controllers. Even if you have another one, you can take it and you can connect it. Okay, the fourth one also I need to bring it to pairing mode. Press this button, bring it to pairing mode. Automatically it will be paired here. It's paired successfully. So I'm going to press this SL and SR button together. Yes, it's paired. So 4 controller is connected. Now I'm going to check. So totally 4 controller connected. Okay, now press this home screen. Okay, do not touch any other keys. So if you are seeing the symbol, right, so then it's successfully connected. Now you can play the local multiplayer. On this left side controller, right, this will be the right D-pad will be the accept button, left D-pad will be the back button, that you can see. Even I am going to open through this. So you need to select your user. That's it friends, now you will be able to play. So friends, now I am going to play this. Okay, I am going to put extreme rules. Fatal 4-way, I am going to select it. Play. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to change this player. So totally I am going to add 4 players here. So first we need to add the first one. This will be the accept button. Accept Roman Reigns. Okay, cool. The second control, just move the key. Okay, so just move the players and select it. Now the third player, right? So I'm going to use the third one. Okay, and the fourth one. So now all can play. So that's it friends, now you can play with 4 players. Now example C, this is Roman Reigns. Okay, and this one is CM Punk. Okay, and the third one is Jey Uso. Okay, the fourth one is Cody Rhodes. So now you can play up to 4 players, friends. Now you can play with 4 players. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.